Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. For this weekend I had planned something quite different. I originally had one video in mind, but that one in particular is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. So then I thought, you know what, I'll do another one instead. And guess what, that one's taking a lot longer too. But I was expecting a parcel from my good friend Brent, and I thought, why not make a video on this instead? There's something in there that I know a lot of people want me to look at. Also, I didn't want to leave you guys without a video for this week. So here's the parcel in question. It's quite big. Brent likes to send big parcels, so I have some idea what's inside, specifically one thing. I'm really excited about it. I think we'll leave the big one to the end just to make all you guys suffer, but I have no idea what else there is in here, so let's take a look, shall we?
Hello, Robert. How is your night going?
Okay, so we've opened it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the box off screen and then open one thing at a time. There's loads of stuff in here, my goodness. He found you, fold up. Oh my god. What are you doing in my swamp? Oh my gosh, this is terrifying.
I'm a terrifying ogre!
Right, let's see.
Oh, hello there!
I think I know what this is. Oh wow. Okay, if you don't know, I'm a big fan of Shrek. Look at his face. The day I went to watch Rebirth, Nathy Vader was with me. Shout out to Nathy Vader. We went to the Noble Collection shop and he spotted this, and like me and you, Brent, he's a massive fan of Shrek and he bought this. I'm so glad that you sent me this. Thank you. It's a lovely surprise. Next one. Fennec Fox.
I can throw it back crazy style if you need.
We got some stickers, look, with Brent's business card. Look. We actually have tons of stickers. We decided to get a sticker book. Just a lovely empty notebook. That's where we're putting all of our stickers. Thank you, Brent. Oh, God, look at that. Brent's also an artist and he made this. Look at that. We love Fennec Foxes. Look how glossy the eyes are. Oh, thanks so much. We're going to display this. It will go next. The little baby Carnotaurus he made. Bam! They're going to be best friends. Thank you.
What are you doing in my swamp? What? Bye-bye.
Hey, nice. Oh, so weird. It turns blue. The whites of the eyes turn blue. No painted Duke. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you. Oh, Brent. These ketchup crisps are some of my favorites, so thank you so much. Although, I'm trying to lose weight. But this could be a nice treat. I think we have a baby now. Yeah, we've already got the cat. We have got a little baby Godzilla vs. Space Godzilla. I'm not too familiar with Godzilla in general. 2 unboxings in one video. Oh, it's so little. There it is. Oh, the paint around the eyes is nice and crisp. Look at that. Oh, thank you, Brent. You're too kind. Too generous. It's got a butthole. Some sweets. I'm a big fan of sweets. Oh my goodness. We have these in the UK and Europe and stuff. America's Smarties look very different. This comes from Canada, so these look exactly the same as ours. Ferrero Rocher. Kit Kat Chunky Rolo. I'm a big fan of Rolo and a fan of this Kit Kat as well. American Kit Kats taste very different to the international Kit Kats, and I must say that I prefer the Nestle ones. Coffee crisps. I'm not a fan of coffee, but I might give it a try anyway. If not, I can give it to my parents. Of course, Mars bars. Love a nice Mars bar. Kinder Bueno, obviously, I love these. Italian. And we tried these already, didn't we? I think Martin might have sent these before. And I quite enjoy these. I like gummies. So yeah, all the kilos I'm trying to get rid of are gonna come back. Thanks, Brent, though. You're really generous. Thank you. And here is the big one. Are we all ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Look at that. This is my first ever Nanmu figure, and my goodness, I am so excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. This is a premium figure. Look at that. Oh. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing and review of this beauty. This will not be my only Nanmu figure because I'm expecting another one in the post and expect reviews of Nanmu figures from now on. Thank you so much, Brent. This is a bit of an exchange. I did make something for him. He requested, and we put some extras in his parcel as well, of course, with some sweets too. But I'm not going to spoil it for you, Brent. Thanks so much again. Can't wait to review this. Expect this soon on the channel. Look at that. Oh! Hopefully I'll have the other 2 videos done by next week. At least one of them. And then I'll get to review these guys. Ooh. If you want sneak peeks at my future projects and what I'm working on for every week's video, feel free to join my Patreon. If you donate anything, even something really small, it will contribute towards helping me improve all of my stuff. I've actually been able to expand my workspace because of you guys. I'll show you in the next video probably all my little workspace updates. Thank you so much. And again, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye!
I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps.